What's going on, y'all? We are RV Family.life. My name is David. We live full-time in an RV, traveling the United States, checking out amazing things like the USS Wisconsin.
It's got to be able to accommodate somebody tall like me, but it doesn't mean you have to be all comfortable. So the sailors would do things like put pictures of their family, friends, girlfriends, wife, whatever up there. There's a light over your head, but the light looks like the bulb is missing, so that way you can sit there and read books and magazines. It's the library. You gotta have a library card to come in here? She's washing the dishes. Take your dishes? Okay, I'll take your dishes. I rinse them all. I give them to Kira. Run them through the washing machine. Where'd your food go? So when they want to serve the food, do they dump it out of those bottom pipes? It's like a stinky slinky connection. Those are huge, giant black stones.
A silent heart decay under the ground, taking the weight of which has yet to be found. If you can hear me now, why don't you recall? I was the one who cared after.
Why did you crawl through that hole there, Gengar?
Well, I seem to have found myself in a Navy brig. What did I do? All done hanging out in the USS Wisconsin, climbing all over it, there is a museum that's attached to it that's all part of the same entry fee. I believe it's called Nautilus is the whole place. But we found this kids area that the girls had a blast running around and climbing around, and even as they're a little bit up in age, Kaylin is as old as 12, they were able to enjoy this area and be able to move around. Even I could go like upstairs in it, so that was kind of nice. We had a blast here. We enjoyed checking out Navy ships like this. This is one of the things that we like to see as we travel the country in our RV. But we thank y'all so much for watching our videos. If you're new here, please consider clicking the subscribe button. If you wouldn't mind, click the like button. That helps YouTube to spread out our videos to more people. Well, thanks again for watching our video. Remember that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.